Hi, so I thought I'd do a little video on what is in a Hangout, and I'll give other instructions, but along the left hand side here you'll say invite, and then if you click on this next button it says chat, and you can see that these are the people that are in the Hangout, okay, and then one person, whoever's speaking, moves up into the center, or there's some other things that I'll talk about in a minute. So first of all, there's a text chat that goes along the side here. If you don't have a camera, that's okay. You can just show up as like you'll show up as a blue face that's in the room, and we'll know who you are because you can, people can move over the top of the faces and you can tell who's in the room because they do have to send an invitation for you to join the Hangout. Anyway, we can chat, so if someone's talking and you're thinking about something, you can chat over in this little box over here. This next option down is a screen share, which is really cool because what you can do is you can show me what you're looking at or show everyone else what you're looking at. And in that case, if you do the screen share, it'll go to a back screen, and then you select one, and then that shows up in place of your face so we can see what you're talking about. So if you're showing us, if you're going to show us an example, then you know, that's kind of cool. There's this thing called Google Effects, which is kind of fun. There's little hats, and people can clap in there and cheer and all that kind of stuff. There's a Hangout Toolbox that's for like Twitter feeds and some other stuff. We can actually watch a YouTube video. There's some other options that I'll put in here. One of the other things that we can do in a Hangout is actually collaborate on a document, like a spreadsheet, a Google Doc, or a Google spreadsheet. So whoever's speaking is along here. We'll do a little test out here. Some of the things that you know, the echo and all that. I don't wear a headset because it just works out well that way. Up here, if you want to mute yourself, first of all, yeah, I guess this is the volume that you're coming across, and this is to mute yourself. Like if I wanted to mute myself, I would click there if there's some kind of noise or feedback. I can turn off my camera, and then there's underneath here, there's a little setup key, and what that does is that allows you to set it up. And then over here on the far right is the hang up. That means you're going to hang up and it's over. So anyway, that's a quick little video on how Hangouts might work, and we can use this for having live discussions about the topics that we cover during this course.